Hi, my name is Elizabeth, and I am here with Owen, who's a sophomore in Brantford College, and he is going to be telling us a bit about his project, Trip Traveler. So Owen, do you mind telling us a little bit about your project?
Yeah, of course. So my project's called Trip Traveler, and it's basically this website that allows people to explore and learn about different locations all around the world. And so right now we're currently on the homepage of our website, and it's like going through this nice slideshow, and we can go to the Explore page here. And on the Explore page, we can just learn about all the different cities that we currently have in our database. So the cities ranging from like Dubai to Beijing, Paris, Bangkok, and so many more. And if we go to our Create page right here, we can create a trip, which will basically, we can select cities first. So if we select, let's select Amsterdam and Athens and Bali, for example.
Nice.
And then let's select our trip duration. So our duration, let's just say it's 10 days. And then if we want to select different locations types that we want to visit, so let's say sightseeing and nature locations in these cities. And then we'll click on Create. And so now we're going to be created with this output. So our first city that we selected was Amsterdam, and these are just a list of locations that we're going to visit in Amsterdam based on these location types we saw. And then our next one is Athens, another list of locations, and then Bali. And then at the bottom, we'll have a trip summary, which tells us just everything we just inputted, and then also this cost that's associated with all of the locations. So if any of these places have fees or tickets, the costs are basically going to add up all of these ticket fees to help people budget and learn more about how much money they'll probably be spending when visiting these locations. And now that we've created our trip, we can go to our My Accounts page. And I have just past trips here from other people who visited. And at the bottom, our trip will come as trip number 8. And we'll see the past information we just learned about and our trip that's created here. Yeah.
Wait, that's awesome.
Thank you.
So Owen, will you tell us what your favorite part of making the project was?
Yeah, I think my favorite part, was just like the whole exploration process and learning about all these locations. I created the database myself, so I spent time, sat down and like just Googled all these cities, Googled all these locations, and like learned about all of them and put them all into a spreadsheet together. So that was just really cool learning about just the many different places that exist in the world,
That's so awesome.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for sharing your project. I'm Elizabeth, and this is CS50.
Thank you.